out on the rest of the events at Kidlit Ground. Catch another storytelling session on Sipago at Simachi and the puppet show on Binong Kambing at 1 p.m. Prepare yourselves for a wacky storytelling session this 2 p.m. and all will work together with a bonus activity and self-portrait book club. For our last event of the day, join us for a storytelling session on Quero Soul at 3 p.m. Once again, we would like to thank our sponsor, Adorno House. Feel free to browse their booth, C10 to C12. They currently have 50% off their physical books, flashcards, and book titles, and clothing. See you all at the Kidlit Ground.
How to be happier.
He was feeling for his best friend Lyra because he was already in love with her. He fell in love with her during the pandemic. But then, so when he tell Lyra before this birthmark runs out, it becomes number one. And the thing is, Lyra went to Palawan, so he went after her. And at the same time,
seeing also Manila and the pandemic backdrop, at the same time the beautiful island of El Nido, how it is perfectly described, the tours and the settings.
All
Thank you very
right,
much.
thank you, Justin. The nick of time. Good job. Okay, your thoughts.
Okay. If ako yung magpipitch sa kanya, ang sasabihin ko lang, what if there is a marker for you to see how long you will still live? And what if yung time na yun, makikita mo siya visibly sa birthmark mo. So for yan, every time na may mangyayari sa'yo, mababawasan yun. And what if you run out of time to say what you really want to say to people you love?